Hey guys and gals, I just want to give everyone a reminder or an announcement if you didn't know. Tonight at 7 o'clock Eastern, which is midnight UK time, the MRYCG or the Model Railroad YouTube Community Group is doing a 24 hours of live streams. I'm going to be kicking it off at 7 o'clock Eastern time, midnight UK time, or United Kingdom time. So, I plan on doing a 2-hour show from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. I'm going to do it just like Heath's Modeling Monday because I feel like modeling tonight, but I felt like maybe I should show what y'all are doing as well. So if you want to get in on it and possibly be on panel, send me an email in my About page. I have my email in my About page. Send me an email stating that you want to be on the MRYCG live stream on my channel. Okay? So, other than that, I hope to see y'all there, and happy railroading.